Hello everyone, here is today's problem. Suppose P, Q and R are roots of x power 3 plus 2x squared minus x plus 3 equals 0. We are asked to find the following value, that is P squared plus 4 times Q squared plus 4 times R squared plus 4. This problem is from 2024 AMC 12A, question 15. We present two different methods. So method number 1, let v to be x squared. So from x power 3 plus 2x squared minus x plus 3 equals 0. We have 2x squared plus 3 equals x minus x power 3. On the hand side, factorize the x and square both sides. So since v equals to x squared, this is 2v plus 3 squared equals v 1 minus v squared. So left hand side 4v squared plus 12v plus 9. Right hand side v power 3 minus 2v squared plus v. Hence v power 3 minus 6v squared minus 11v minus 9 equals 0. And for this cubic equation, it has roots p squared, q squared and r squared. Now we let f of v to be v power 3 minus 6v squared minus 11v minus 9. And since p squared, q squared and r squared are the roots, we can factorize as v minus p squared, v minus q squared and v minus r squared. If we let j to be the expression that we want to find, we see that j is actually equals to a negative of f of negative 4. So j equals to negative of f of negative 4 equals to negative 4 to the power 3 minus 6 negative 4 squared minus 11 negative 4 minus 9. So this will be negative 64 minus 96 plus 44 minus 9. And the final answer is 1, 2, 5. So 1 to 5 is our answer. So this is end of the method 1. Let's try on method 2. So again, we let j to be the expression that we want. If we allow the imagination to come in, then this can be written as p plus 2i, p minus 2i, q plus 2i, q minus 2i, r plus 2i, r minus 2i. We may also let gx to be the cubic equation. Since pqr are the roots, this can be written as x minus p, x minus q, x minus r. So this means that j is actually equals to g2i, g negative 2i. So for g2i, it is 2i power 3 plus 2 of 2i squared minus 2i plus 3. So this is negative 8i minus 8 minus 2i plus 3. So this is negative 5 minus 10i. For g minus 2i, negative 2i power 3 plus 2 negative 2i squared minus negative 2i plus 3. So this is 8i minus 8 plus 2i plus 3. So it is negative 5 plus 10i. Therefore j equals negative 5 minus 10i, negative 5 plus 10i. So it is negative 5 squared minus 10i squared. So it is 25 plus 100. So this is 125. Again, we get the same answer 125 using method 2. This is the end of our discussion today. Which method will you prefer? Method 1 or method 2? You may let me know in the comment. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.